why your business is invisible in 2025. In 2025, the first place people go to find anything, a service, a product, an expert, or solutions, is Google. If your business doesn't show up there, you don't exist to them. That's the harsh truth most businesses still ignore. While many small business owners and freelancers rely solely on social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook to represent their business online, that strategy is simply not enough anymore. The digital landscape has evolved. Social media is no longer the end goal. It's just one of the many touchpoints. Your real digital headquarters is your website. First, social media is not ownership. Instagram and other social media platforms are great for engagement, brand building, and community, but they are rented spaces. You don't control the algorithm, the layout, or even the audience you build. One change in platform rules, shadow bans, or account pages, and you could lose your reach overnight. A website, on the other hand, is fully yours. It's your custom space where you control the narrative, design the user journey, and own the data. It doesn't rely on likes or follows. It runs 24/7, presenting your offers, portfolio, and credibility in one place always. Second, people don't wait anymore. The attention span of a digital user is shorter than ever. If someone can't figure out who you are, what you do, and how to contact you in under 5 seconds, they bounce. Especially if all they find is a social page with a few posts. Third, trust is built on Google presence. Think of your own behavior as a customer. Would you buy from a business you can't find online? Probably not. A business without a website lacks credibility. In contrast, a website with a custom domain, testimonials, facts, case studies, and clear branding builds instant trust. And with proper SEO, search engine optimization, you show up in search results, allowing your potential customers to discover you even if they have never heard your name before. Fourth, you're missing out on lead generation. A website isn't just a digital brochure. When done right, it's a lead machine. You can integrate email signups, chatbots, downloadables, appointment booking systems, analytics tools, and more, all of which help you capture and nurture leads while you focus on your work. Meanwhile, social media platforms offer limited lead gen features and make it harder to track user behavior meaningfully. Fifth, your website is always on. You can't be available to respond to every DM or comment, but your website can speak on your behalf every minute of the day. It can answer questions, show your offerings, collect reviews, display portfolios, share blogs, and convert traffic into business even while you sleep. This makes it one of the most powerful automation tools you'll ever invest in. And you don't need fancy tech skills or long timelines to get it invented. 6. Websites aren't a luxury anymore. They are a necessity. Gone are the days when building a website meant spending 1 lakh plus and months of back-end code. Modern web development teams like ours deliver clean, conversion-ready, SEO-optimized websites in as little as 10 days, starting from just rupees 34,999. This makes it accessible for freelancers, solopreneurs, boutique agencies, coaches, and creators who want to scale without friction. 7. And it's the most important one. Your competitors are online, are you? No matter what industry you are in, your competitors are online, showing up on Google, gaining visibility and converting search traffic into paying clients. Selling offline or stuff on Instagram stories while your competition runs ads, builds SEO, collects leads is like standing still while the race keeps going. It's not about looking flashy, it's about being discoverable, trusted, and available when people are searching. 8. Build once, benefit forever. Your website is an investment, not an expense. When done right, it pays off for years too. Long-term SEO traffic, a branded digital identity, smooth client onboarding, instant credibility boost, easier referrals and shares, and better business valuation. If you are serious about growth in 2025 and beyond, your website should be at the center of your digital strategy, not an afterthought. So you don't need to wait for the perfect moment to build your online presence. That moment is already here. The longer you wait, the more potential business you leave on the table. Let your website do the talking, selling, and converting for you while you focus on doing what you do the best.